So you might be trying to figure out how you can use the phone call application on your iPhone. Now, doing this is actually very basic. Now, the phone call app is one of the most popular apps that you can probably use, and to use it, it's very basic. So basically, when you first open it up for the first time, you're going to see your number keypad, your num keypad right here. So if you ever want to, basically add a phone number, if you want to, call somebody, you can go ahead and start typing in the phone number right here. So get that person's phone number, and you can start placing in that number and start, typing it in. If you want to call them, you can click on this call button right here, and it will just allow you to go ahead and straight, call them. So you'll see their phone number here. You'll see a lot of options here, like muting them and other things like that. You can end the call just by clicking on cancel, or you can just click on the red button. If you want to add somebody as a contact while you're typing in their thing, like their number, you can also just start typing in there, and you can click on the plus icon right up here to add them as a contact right there. So you can create a new contact, and you can add a new existing contact as well. Now, the bottom left, you have your favorites. If you have any people that you want to save as favorites, maybe a family member, a coworker, something like that, you can basically add them as favorites right here. That way it'll be quicker for you to go through and basically just add them and basically call them instead of sorting through all your contacts. Your recents is basically everybody who's recently called you. So every single person who's recently called you will show up right here. So you can go through and basically see all that information right here. So if you want to, you can go through and just quickly just call them here if you want to. So all those people that randomly call you or you've called them, you can see all the recent calls and everything like that here. And you can even go under missed, and you can see all the missed calls that you have with them as well. Now under contacts, this is where all of your contacts are. So if you, like we said before, if you added a person within a contact, you'll see that here. And you can also sort through all of your contacts right here to see all of your information. You can also click on a contact here to get more information. So if you want to, you can click right into here, and you can see their names, you can see their contact, you can share their contact out if you want to. And you can even click on edit in the top right corner if you want to edit more information. So you can edit their names, you can edit their, their date, I guess, or their related name, like so many things. You can edit right here, and you can save and click done in the top right corner to save it. Now on top of that, if you go ahead and hop back out, if you click on keypad again, you'll see the number keypad here. If you go ahead and click on voicemails, this is where all your voicemails will be. So every single voicemail you'll probably end up getting will show up right here. So you can go through, see all that information right here, which is really, really cool. And that's basically all you're going to have to see here as well. So you can go through, see your voicemails, and that's another thing you can do here too. And you can just kind of configure it out whichever way you want to. So those are basically, the main tricks and tips that I recommend thinking about when you're using your phone call application. It's a very quick app to use. There's not really a big one, but that's essentially how you use it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More important than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.